What's up everyone? This is DJ Tracker with you. This is my e-revo and I installed at this e-revo Traxxas LED lights. Check it out. Now I show you how I build and installed the LED light in this e-revo Traxxas. I install it with relay, and this very well, because this saved your power in your battery. More battery, more time, and which is very well. Okay, check it out, let's go. Come on! This is extra to second 7.4 volts battery. I assembled this battery myself, so the description also lacks link for this. And this is ours Wolfwhoop PUD control buck converter from 6 to 24 volts to 5 volts 1.5 ampere step down, regulator module, power inverter, volt stabilizer. This PCB, power relay, coil DPDT, 5 volts, 8 pins. This is a good thing to switch any equipment. And this plays a major role in all of this. RC remote-controlled AUX on or off electronic switch relay for car, truck, boat, LED light, drone for ampere. And this controller connect to the receiver. I'll show you later how it all connects, and now we'll see how glued LEDs. Don't forget to look in the description down below. A link to all equipment is also there, except for a link to the battery. Now I'll show you how to glue the LED on the lid e-revo. Here it is necessary to glue along the line of the case, then it will be perfect. And glue it all to the end. This socket connects to relay. And you can connect directly without relay, then it will just battery drain faster. It's all working without problems. And that's just left to connect to the receiver. And now I'll try to connect through the relay. We connect the relay into LED lights and connect relay to RC remote-controlled aux on or off electronic switch relay. Now the LED lights is powered by this battery. So, okay, now we will check the difference between relay and direct connection. Pay attention to the battery level. When I turn on LED lights, the battery level drops. We had a direct connection without a relay and extra battery. Now let's see how the relay will behave with extra battery. As you can see, there is no change to the battery level, so you already save your battery level. Okay, now we're going to install. It is necessary to remove 2 screws and wind the wire around them as I did and fix it back. Then, remove the sticker with double-sided tape. Tape is needed so that the battery does not hang out and does not fall. And do the same with the relay. Now, connect LED lights to the relay and then attach the battery and connect. Just in case, we'll attach all this with cable self-locking plastic wire zip tie. That's all. Now it only remains to connect to the receiver.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stayed. I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you.
That's ready. Now let's turn it on LED lights. That's it. Let there be light.
Make you out for what you say to me. Look at every single date. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Eggs you can unfeel, heat ignition. Just keep me full like at a meal. Once in a while, feel alright. I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
Thank you for watching this video. Press like and subscribe in my channel. See you in next video.